This device here can potentially save you thousands in repairs and replacements. This is called a surge device for your whole home. It protects against electrical overloads from the utility company. So we at The General regularly install these in homes for our customers. It takes about an hour or so to install it. It installs in your main panel. A lot of people ask us, we have surge protection strips. Isn't that enough? It's not. You need this to protect everything inside your home. So there's 240 volt circuits where those little surge strips aren't going to be enough or sufficient enough. So this will cover that base and you won't have to worry about anything else with this. So this device here installs the main panel. It hooks up to both legs of your panel, and it regulates the current coming in, and if there's any overload of current, it directs it back to the earth, protects any equipment inside the home. So this device also can protect brand new AC units that we install here as well. It can protect any equipment plugged in, such as laptops, televisions, anything that has a circuit board in it. This will help protect that. So here in Southern California, our power grid is not the best, right? So these being installed in homes have saved thousands and thousands of dollars of equipment. I have been to several houses where they have this installed. This is a one-time hit, so if there is an overload, this will burn out before any of your other equipment does. Now, if this does not do its job, it comes with a 5-year warranty through the manufacturer and up to 75,000 connected equipment warranty. Homes here regularly get hit with blackouts and brownouts, right? So we always recommend installing these, and it's now an actual current code in California as well as the nation to install these. So definitely I would take advantage of this. So with this simple device here, you can protect thousands and thousands worth of investment. So that way you don't have to deal with any pesky insurance claims or any utility claims. So definitely get one of these installed.